The house is from down Pudding Lane from the Big Fire of London.
And what are you going to do with those houses?
We're going to take them down into the forest and set fire to them to show what it was like.
So Eva went to school and I had a really early appointment at the doctor's. So we've been there and it's taken a lot out of me. So we're home now reading books and I'm going to have some breakfast. What happens at Christmas? Belle thought carefully. We have fun parties with yummy things to eat and Father Christmas visits and brings us presents. Goody yum yum, said Boo. But most of all, said Belle, at Christmas it's important to share and be extra kind to make it special for everyone. We have this Lego table in the playroom which the girls absolutely love. They're obsessed with Lego. But because our playroom is also our conservatory, Eva made it, didn't she? Then we actually close it up in the winter unless we're actually in here all day or anything when we put the heating on. So where are we playing Lego now? On the coffee table. We're standing them up. What have we made?
House!
We have, haven't we?
I'm stuck.
You're stuck? What happened?
I don't know at all.
You don't know, but you're stuck. Did you move the stool, walk backwards, move the stool backwards, so you were in a little corner, and then shout you were stuck? Oh no. What are you going to do? How are you going to get out of this situation?
I don't know.
Do you want to just stay there and eat your snack? Okay.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh dear. Do you think you should be touching those then?
Yes.
No. You think you should be touching that one?
Yes.
No. Do you think you should be touching that one?
Yes.
No. Do we touch the tray? No. No. Are you? No, not even with your face. No. Are you cheeky?
No, I want to go to the toilet.
You want to go to the toilet?
Toilet.
Come on then. What's the happiest sound in the world? Mini slippers. Match your outfit.